Pacho ka Kenya Pipeline Corporation KPC mabende gin joloch di beach mag tuke mag wakeni e Afrika koro wuok e pacho ka kage chomo piny mar Misri kama gidhi tuke mag volibol mag klepe mag Afrika ne joma mine chakre tarik 7 nyaka tarik 20 mar dweni. KPC ne okawo simbo margi mogik e tukego higa mar 2005 bang' thalo Al Ahly mawuok e piny mar Misri sets 3-0 e tugo manotug pacho ka bang' mano to oselogi e finals 6 to kata kamano gin kod geno ni gidhi yudo duoko makare tuke ma higani bang' tieko e thuolo mar 3 e tuke ma higa mokalo manobagi e boma ma Abuja e piny mar Nigeria.
We put in a lot of man hours in the training, and we polished a number of areas including game strategies, and we looked at our match that we lost last time, and we have tried to work around that around those weaknesses. The team is ready and prepared, and we are promising the country that we are bringing back the trophy home. That trophy is a big trophy in Africa, and it opens a way for us to go and also compete in the World Club Championships. So we are really working towards getting that trophy because we need to progress to the World Club Championships.
The magic that this team has is we have experienced players and junior players, and that is a very good thing in a team because as a Kenya Pipeline team, first of all, we are mentoring, so we can't just remain like the way we are. So we are preparing, for example, seniors when they exit. At the back, we also have junior players that are holding this.